In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert two different page numbering format in the same Word document. By the end, you will have Roman numerals on your front pages and standard Arabic numbers starting at Chapter 1. Start by opening your document and deciding where your introductory material ends. This might include a title page, acknowledgements, or a table of contents. Place your cursor at the very end of that introductory text, just before your main content begins, such as Chapter 1. Now create a new section so Word can treat your front matter and main text differently. Go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks and choose Next Page. That inserts a section break and moves the next part of your document to a new page under a separate section. Next, unlink the sections so changes to one footer don't affect the other. Scroll to the first page of your main text again, that might be Chapter 1, then double-click in the footer area to open the Header and Footer tools. On the Header and Footer tab, click Link to Previous to turn it off. You should see the button no longer highlighted. This is crucial. If sections stay linked, numbering and formatting will mirror across both parts. Now, format the numbering for your introductory pages. Scroll back to the first section, double-click in the footer, and add page numbers. Go to Insert, then Page Number, and choose a placement if needed. Next, open the formatting dialog by going to Page Number. Then format page numbers. Set the number format to Roman numerals, like I, 3, and click OK. If Word continues numbering from a previous section, use the Start At option in that same dialog to begin at I. Then, set up numbering for the main text. Go to the second section, double-click in the footer, and open Page Number. Then format page numbers. Choose Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, and select Start At 1 so Chapter 1 begins on page 1. If you don't see numbers yet, or you want a different position or look, go to Insert, then Page Number. Choose Bottom of Page and pick a style you like. Apply this in each section as needed, so both the front matter and main text display correctly. Give everything a quick review. Roman numerals on the front pages. Arabic starting at Chapter 1, and no link to previous in the main section. Save your document and you are done. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.